Yo, what's up my people? Welcome to another video on this channel. And prior to the last video, we talked about screenshotting using a function on what's it called, Mozilla Firefox. Right now I'm still on Mozilla Firefox, no cause for alarm, but we're just going to do something very interesting today. I'm going to visit google.com and voila, here we go. So now we're going to search for something. Let's talk about something. Say what should we talk about? Web design. Yeah, it's something I love to talk about. Let's talk about web design and development. Yes. Now what we're going to do right here is we're going to go to a section called images. We're going to click on images because we actually want to work with the images. That is what we want to do today. Now we have amazing designs, amazing tricks, etc. You can see different designs, web design or web development. What's the difference? I think I'll go with this guy. Web design versus web development. Okay, let's pick this particular guy. Let me click on the image. Now I have this. Once you see this thing loading, okay, it's done. Now I have this beautiful image, and let me probably see if I can access the website. Then I right click on this and open it in a new tab. So let's see if we can access that image directly on the website. That way this tool or trick or system we want to use today will be very useful, very good. We have it right here on the website. Now before we proceed, welcome back again to the Guru Chris channel. Here you get premium content. I teach about productivity hacks, and trust me, we teach premium content that you barely get elsewhere, and even if you find, it's very scarce. That means you're lucky to find one. So please stick with this channel. I take you on the hacks and productivity tips every other day. I upload videos every other day on this video. That is every day or every 2 days. So always stick to this channel, and please click the subscribe button right there. Yeah, right there. Click on the subscribe button, so whenever I upload content, you can always know about them and get access to them. And most importantly, the notification bell. Please just smash that notification bell. Yeah, that thing that look like school bell. Just click on that thing that look like school bell, and when you click on that, YouTube notifies you whenever I drop good premium new videos every day or every other day. YouTube notifies you, so you just get to jump on it. And the beautiful thing is, if you're the first to take, especially when it's something that has to do with a limited time offer, or maybe a new inspiration, a new design, a new concept, something that is not common, if you're the first to jump on it, if it's something that has to do with making money online, if you're the first to jump on it before it becomes common, you get to benefit everything in it before it becomes saturated. Okay, so one more thing, please like if you're enjoying this video. Yeah, smash the like button if you're enjoying this video, and let's proceed. Right here there's a free tool on your Windows PC. Yeah, if you're using Windows. For Mac, I don't know, but maybe as we progress we'll look into that. When you go to for those on Windows, I'm sure it should be on Windows 7 as well. For those on Windows 10, for those on Windows 8, Windows 10, you have two options. You have one option, you come here and search for something called Snipe Tool. Just type Snipe. Before you finish it, it should suggest, here's it, Sniping Tool. It's a free tool. Now there is the app for sniping tool, there's the app for snipe and sketch. Now once you snipe, it brings you to snipe and sketch, where you have to edit whatever you snipe. and you can see that scissors icon. It's just like screenshotting. It takes a region, you select the region where you want to snipe, where you want to screenshot. Okay, you're gonna love this, you're gonna enjoy this. But peradventure your search bar is not working for some reason or the other, just go to your Windows menu, especially when you're on the your start menu, when you're on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and probably Windows 7, I'm not so sure. Now there's a folder called Windows Accessories. When you come there, you will see all these free tools you always use, like your character map. Those that know me personally know I love to use character map. You see Notepad, you see Paint, you see the sniping tool, and you see every other important accessories you use often. Now let's play with steps recording. But sorry, what we wanted to actually use is the sniping tool. So first thing first, we search for snipe. Now when I snipe for snipe, I click on it. Now it's going to pop up, and here you go. It says sniping tools, new mode, delay, cancel option. Now mode, you can select whether freeform snipe, that means you can draw any shape, you can highlight any shape, rectangle, window snipe. Window snipe means this whole window you're seeing right now, this whole section is going to snipe it, it's going to screenshot it. Then full screen window, full screen snipe is going to screenshot even the browser, the taskbar, and everything that is visible on the screen is going to snipe them. So we are using rectangle because what we want to actually snipe is rectangle. You can always click on new, and when you click on new, click on the new, then you see this similar plus sign that looks like the previous video we did. Now all you just need to do is left click and drag. You can see when you left click and drag and you release, now you can see we have this guy already screenshots, and I can mess with it. There are some little functions on what's it called, like your MS Paint that we have here, like I can use red pen to write something or just to draw an arrow. I don't mind my arrow, and I can click on this highlight pen to highlight just a section. I can highlight this guy here. I'm just saying. Now I have an eraser. I can click on this guy and it will erase all the rubbish I've done. Okay, now there is a function of 3D paint that takes you to 3D paint where you can edit this guy further. But most importantly, you can click on this save snipe. Once you click on save snipe, it's going to save this guy, and it's going to ask you what name do you want to save it as. I already have one capture, so I can always rename it and give it any name. Let's just say capture 1. By default it's supposed to be in my image, but because of the last caption I saved, it was on my desktop, so I'll leave it on my desktop. Now I can go to 3D paint, to give it some spicy designs and stuff, give it a 3D feel, and make it looks very interesting. Actually the image itself looks interesting, but I can also make a 3D version of it to look take away. So we're almost there. Yeah, it's creating a new project. As soon as it's done creating the project, just exercise patience. I don't think it's gonna take long. If it will take long, I will probably fast forward this section. So this blabbing. Okay, here we go. The beautiful thing I like about 3D, by default it has given me something that looks like a background, but that is not what I'm looking for. That is not what I'm looking for. So here we're going to look for 3D shapes, and let's see what we can open. Let's see. I think I need something rectangle, 3D models. Let me pick on this box. Let us see. sorry guys, I think I need to undo that. I'm still trying to find my way around 3D paint. I'll probably get better at this and make a future video on this. But for those that know how to use 3D paint, yeah, you can zoom out, increase the size, crop it, magic selection. I can just, with my magic selection, where's my magic? Yeah, drag the corner tools. Okay. Magic selection is like cropping. So I won't save this, but we have the effects section where I can add a color to the background. I can change this, just do some, very interesting thing. 3D library. You can search for any elements to add to this guy. You can see like this rhinoceros. I can click on this guy and I'll have related stuff, dinosaurs. Just drop this guy here. Okay. Yes. Please load. Thank you. For some reasons, probably because I'm running multiple programs on my PC, that's why it's taking time to load like this, because it doesn't really use internet. It's an offline tool and it's free. So probably I'm running some heavy stuff on the background. So you can just put this guy right here. Where would be best? Okay, you can put this guy right here. Let's take this guy down. Okay, now mixed reality opens your webcam. My webcam is currently busy. I don't know if it will work, but it's being used by another software. So let's see 3D viewer. Let's see if it will work. Hopefully it does work. Like for those on my web design class, I used to tell them patience is a virtue. As a web designer, web developer, you probably need to exercise patience. Some things take a while, a process, and the delay could be for some just simple technical reasons you don't know. You just have to, exercise patience and make sure these things work the way you expect them to work. Right now, see, camera is unavailable. There was a problem starting the camera. It may be used by another app. So sorry, 3D will not work. Sorry, mixed reality won't work. So what I'll do is I'll just close this guy and I'll close my 3D. Don't save. Actually, I didn't save it is probably because it's just for experimental purposes. Now, if you've been following the video so far, in the description box, I'm going to drop resources that are being used for this video, and a guide for the video as well is going to be provided in the description box. So thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions, suggestions. If you have similar or better options, please feel free to let us know. We would love it, we appreciate it. And once again, thanks for watching today's video. We love you and remain blessed.